The man accused of killing Chicago police officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso was in court today as his trial began. The officer's widow took the stand to talk about what happened that day, as did the defendant's then girlfriend, who is at the center of the domestic dispute that brought cops to the scene. Our Sabrina Franza was in court all day. She joins us now live with more of these details. Sabrina.
Defendant Stephen Montano sat in court today wearing a blue button-down and a blue striped tie. At times, he turned around and smiled at his row of supporters. Meanwhile, family, friends, and fellow officers of former police officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso crowded the remainder of the courtroom as prosecutors and the defense took the jury back to March 1st of 2023. With 12 jurors and 4 alternates sworn in, the day began with opening statements, a chance for both sides to outline their arguments for the jury. Prosecutors introduced Andrés Vásquez Lasso, a family man and a Chicago police officer who worked in the 8th District. They said that his life was, quote, violently stolen by, and they pointed to the defendant, the murderer that sits just 20 feet in front of you, end quote. Shooting Officer Vásquez Lasso, they said 5 times. The defense admitted this case is an extremely tragic situation, but added Stephen is also reeling from it. They painted a portrait of an 18-year-old man who had a troubled youth, dropped out of high school, and who was dating a 37-year-old woman at the time of the shooting who, quote, had control over him. They say Montano fled the scene of the domestic violence call because he'd wanted to de-escalate it, and that he and Officer Vásquez Lasso raised their guns at the same time. That woman also took the stand, Laneta Perea. She was living with Montano and her 7 kids at the time. She said she did not know Montano was 18, and differently than what she told us previously, testified that she in fact did call 911. Prosecutors played that call. You hear her say, quote, he has a gun and he's chasing me right now. The call cuts out after she says Montano threw her phone from her hand just before he ran and the shooting happened. Vásquez Lasso's widow took the stand as well. Teary-eyed, she recalled getting the phone call that her husband was shot and remembering seeing him for a final time at the hospital. Now, the defense said that the jury can expect to hear from their client, adding that he is the only person that knows not just what happened, but why this happened. We'll keep you posted. We're live outside the Cook County Criminal Courthouse. Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.
Sabrina, thank you so much.